Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. This is part 2 of what was going to be one video. Thank you for joining me, friend. Okay, this is the spice cake in that package there. It's the super moist spice cake. I've got 2 eggs here. I have a can of pumpkin. And that's what we're doing. We're making a pumpkin spice cake with these ingredients. We're going to use that whole can of pumpkin. It's just the pumpkin filling. It's not, or the pure pumpkin, I mean. So make sure you get pure pumpkin. We're just going to go ahead and mix these in. Now this is a spice cake mix, so you don't want to add any spices to it. It could get overpowering. And I'm going to whisk this stuff together, the eggs and the pumpkin. Get it whisked in together. You want to have some good desserts that you don't have to spend a super large amount of time with. This would be one of them. Get all that down in there. Now this is going to get thick, just so you know. Can't use your whisk for it. Dump all that in there. And we're just going to start folding it in. There are tons of recipes with 2 ingredients. You know, the already made cake mixes and 1 can of pie filling. I've never made them before, so hopefully this is going to turn out good. Now, you can get one of the sugar-free cake mixes that Pillsbury makes, the white one, and add your spices to it along with the 2 eggs and the pumpkin, and it's still keto friendly. It's should be diabetic friendly. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I can guarantee you it is keto friendly. Dirty keto, but it's friendly. Ooh, that smells good. It smells just like a pumpkin pie. Oh, that reminds me, I have to make that today too. Okay, I'm not gonna make it. Again, I'm doing it the quick and easy way. It's a frozen pie. All I have to do is let it thaw and serve it. Right. Got that all mixed up. Now, ooh, that smells so good. We're going to put this in a 9x13 baking dish. If you haven't saw the other video that I was referring to, we'll put a link in. You can check it out. It has brownies in it and banana walnut bread. Here we go. Give that a good spray. Now, I'm going to pour this in. It's heavy. Again, this is a 9x13 baking dish. I wanted to do everything at once, but my oven is not that big, y'all. I thought it was, but it is not. So, and I still, after the years of baking that I have done, do not have any luck with putting baked goods on the lower rack in my oven. I just don't. And I can't even tell you why I don't. I don't know. Now we're going to spread this out. Oop, there's a little spot I missed on mixing. Get that mixed in there. Don't want nobody taking that bite. We're going to bake it in a preheated 350 degree oven for about 25 minutes. You'll do the toothpick test to see if it's done. Now, the way you want it to look when it comes out of the oven is the way you need to do it before you put it in. Because that's what it's going to look like when it comes out. If you just blop it in there, it's going to come out looking blopped. Alright, let's get this off of there. Every little bit counts. Of course, I had to get it up there on the side, but it's okay. There we go. Now, let me clean my hands up, and I'll be right back. Oh, that smells so good. Smells so good. Look at that. Now, I'm going to let this cool down, and then I'm going to head and put my frosting on it and top that off with some goodies too. So as soon as that cools down, we'll get the icing on. Okay. This cake has cooled down somewhat. Now I want it to be a little warm because I'm using the canned icing. And this one that I'm putting on, this pumpkin spice cake, is a caramel. It smells so good, make my mouth water. But I'm going to put the whole shebang on there. And I'm going to spread it out. And then I'm going to set this in the refrigerator to get it to cool on down so that the frosting doesn't continue to melt. I'm kind of interested to see how this is all going to taste tomorrow. Again, this is a new, something new I haven't done before. And when the quick bake, easy recipes, it don't have to be from scratch and fancy, y'all. You can make it look like it's from scratch and put sprinkles on it and nuts and chips and make it look fancy. And then you get to smile when people talk about how nice it looks and how good it tastes. And until they ask for the recipe, then you just kind of chuckle about it and say, oh, it comes from the box. That's what I'm going to do. The only thing I have left that I'm going to do is sprinkle these rough chopped pecans on the top. Do y'all ever have trouble sprinkling stuff? Why does it seem like it all wants to go to the same spot? It's supposed to be sprinkling, but it ends up blobbing like that. I mean, it's alright, but of course, yeah, again, if you can't eat the nuts, then you can always put other things on it that you like. But that is the cake. So simple. I'm sure it's going to taste good because it smells amazing.